Right, I've mixed a bit of Starship filth and really made it very thin, so we just get a bit of shade on the actual tarps. So I'm going to take that out for the moment because it's on their little small stick, and you should be able to, let's move that over there. You should be able to see me doing it. Here we go, and here we go. Yeah, it's going to look horrible for a little while. That's it. And then all I'll do is put that over here, and then we get the other brush, the other weathering brush, which is this one, and because it's dry, in fact it's going to be pulled away. And that's going to look quite nice, I think, because I don't want it to go too far. You can see all the creases. Greg Riley's really good at this, so, and I'm just dabbing it to now to leave it there, but also that's it. I'll leave it like that. So if I can get that in there without, of course I can. Where's my tweezers? Have some fun here trying to get things away. Don't want to spill that down. Let's get that on the cap on. Right, there we go. So I don't know whether it's come back like this. Yes, it will. Now I don't know if we're going to get a better view of it. I'm not sure. Let's go in. What I'll do is I'll take it off here. And oops. And there it is. Oops. It's great fun, isn't it, when you're not used to a camera. There you go. And that's what it looks like there. And what we're going to do is have, there you go, and give that a night to dry. And it's looking a bit dirty, but that's what we want, isn't it? So, and they've got the shade, the buckles are all on there, and of course the claps, the metal clips, they'd have looped it into it. And the way I looked at it on the rack is you wouldn't see the clips because this is quite high. So there you go, the clips are a bit beyond where they run this strap round to actually hold it in place. So right, we're going to call that whoops. Call that a wrap for this one, and I will come back and show you glue it on, and then this kit then will sit static until the figures turn up. So anyway, so I'm going to just switch it off now, and I'll do that, the straps most probably later tonight, so this video can be uploaded for possibly Tuesday, once I've done the straps and put them on there, I should say. Well, I'm back for the last segment of this until we get the figures coming back, and this will be an end of an update. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in place, and I'm going to put a bit of the actual thick glue on it. Try and get it out here. I don't want too much. There you go. So that's all, they've got the glue on. So now I'm going to try and put it on here. Here we go. And that's gone on there perfect, I think. Yeah, there you go. So there you go, we've got the actual turret done, and I don't think that looks too bad actually myself. Looks reasonable. I might give it a bit of wash sometime, but I don't know. But just looking at it naturally, I think it's okay. So that's what we're going to leave, and that's it then. So what I'm going to do is put this back on the turret. I'm back on the model. Oops, that's going to be a bit weird. Move this out of the way. Oops, crumbs. Nearly drop that. And go wide again. Put it back over here. There you go. And what we do now, put it around like that. That's better. Really, we'll have to get it organised with this, but it's awkward with the camera being on the side. For me, it is, right? Anyway, whoops. So come back that way and come out a fraction. Come slightly wider, and it's good. Got all the paints everywhere. I have to clear this bench up, I think. But there she is. She's got that bit on, so she actual tank's more or less finished now, and obviously a bit tying in with the base when I do it, and that will be done after the 3 figures come. So quite happy with that, and I'll put it around to there. It actually doesn't look too bad at all. Greg's the better one at doing all these tarpaulins anyway, but I think that's not too bad at all. So I'm just going to zoom in. Oops. Zoom in a fraction more. Whoops. Oh. Put it a bit more in the middle. And there it is. Now technically I could say the tank is finished. So oh no, I'll do that anyway off camera, because I've got 2 holes in there to put, and drill 2 holes in there to get the wires to go into the turret for the actual grenade launcher. So I will do that, and you'll see that when we get the figures going. So there you go. So I'm going to leave it like that, and leave it like that with there. And even like that. Anyway, right, so catch you on the next update, and as I said, you won't see anything for this until the figures come, and then I'll show you me part building up one figure, then basically base coating them for the primer black to give them pre-shaded, and then come back and do a bit of hand painting on those as well. And I might do that the same, do one figure and then do the others off camera. But there you go. Right, so see you next time. Happy modelling everyone, and stay safe. Oh, and thank you from all my subscribers that watch, or everyone that watches these videos. Thank you.